Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This will probably be the last part of this series where we will try to retrieve the email. That's what we are going to do. So let's get right into it. So, in the script that we've written, we've been able to submit the email address and also click on the submit button. So what we just need to do now is to get the email out. So what we will do is we just let's create another constant to help us get the just like we add in Cypress. We can also get, in fact, it is something common with Mailosaur. Mailosaur has this particular um, function when you once you've installed it, where you can actually get messages. But how it is represented is different in cases. Is different based on the tool that you are using. So remember that we've already created the Mailosaur class here. We've created it and we've instantiated it here where it is now connecting to the API key, which means it would have access to the server. So what we need to do is bring this particular value, this Mailosaur here, so we can get the message. So we can click on Mailosaur, and what we just need to do is the syntax is messages. And what we want to do, we want to get it, so we are not creating anything, we just want to get the message. And what do we need? We need the server ID that we have created. So that's what it's going to use to identify it. The server ID, so that's the server that it will go to. And it would also need a criteria. So the criteria that we need is the same, send to. And where it is sent to is basically the email address that we've created. Okay, so with this done, we've already gotten the email. So now let's make an assertion. Let's check the email. Let's check that the email subject is the way we've been doing it before. We've done this in Cypress and Mailosaur, so we can just do the same here, but it's a bit different. So we get the email subject, right? And once we get the email subject, the next thing we just need to do is check if it is equal to equal this. So equal the subject. Let's get the subject of the email. Let's click one of them. So yeah, here it is. So we can copy this and get right back into it and paste that there. Okay, so we have this, so we can test that, and we can basically now extract the email link from it. So I will say confirm sign up link, right? So in the confirm sign up link, what do we want? We want to check the email. So this is the JavaScript feature. We already gotten the email. So from JavaScript, the way Mailosaur is designed, you can just use the HTML property, right? And from it, you can get one of its links, right? And that link will be returned, because it's links, it will be returned as a list. So you have to get the first index of that list, right? Because if you look at your if you look at the email that is gotten, the first place you see a link is here, so automatically it will be the first index. But if you have other links here before you get here, then you need to navigate your way through it and know the one that you need in particular. So you have the link, and what you need there is the href property of that link, and that gives you your sign up. So what you just need to do after that is we need to visit that particular one. So we can do this, or we don't even need to put this into a quote, into a string manipulation mode. We can just visit it directly like this, and that will be okay for us. So we can let's reload this. It says it's disconnected. Let's reload it. Okay, it's reloaded. Let's run it again and see if it will work. Okay. Yep. Yeah. And it has visited the page and all is good. So this automatically brings us to the end of this mini series. We've been able to use Mailosaur to demonstrate how you can. We've been able to use Playwright to demonstrate how you can use Mailosaur to retrieve your email. So in another playlist that I intend to do, we are going to see how we can use Playwright Python with Mailosaur. So thank you for getting this far. Please do not forget to subscribe and also help me hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.